So ever since I can remember, I had a passion for organization, and it was something that I found myself doing in my spare time just because it made me feel so good. And no matter what the chaos was outside my door, if I could organize my space so that it felt good, I felt like I was standing more on solid ground. And that's kind of the feeling that we're looking to give to our clients. I think one of the things I'm most proud of with regard to Tidy Style is the team that I've built. We have put together a group of some of the most compassionate, kind-hearted women that you will ever meet. We're really all about bringing this light, bright energy into our clients' homes. I think our clients feel that energy, and that's part of why they love what we do so much.
So the first thing we did was ask them to move us into our bedroom and closet and bathroom so that we could spend the night at our house the first night. They did such an extraordinary job that I said, what am I thinking? And so they did the rest of the house. They moved us in to my office, the kitchen, and were so fantastic about helping me. Every chance I get, we get the team in. They're quite wonderful.
So our process starts with our client care coordinator reaching out to our prospective client and talking to them about the challenges or struggles they're having in the space, what their goals are, a vision for the space. Typically, the clients send us pictures via text. We turn around a proposal with an estimate. So whether you have a large walk-in closet or a garage, no matter what the space is, we can go in and button up that space A to Z. The services that we currently offer are our classic Tidy Style service, which is a service where we come in and fully organize a space, enhance the functionality, maximize the space, all those things that we need to do. And then we have our Tidy Light service, which is really geared toward those clients that maybe they're on a budget or they're just more focused on minimizing. So with Tidy Moves, we are unpacking and setting up our clients' homes. About half of our Tidy Moves clients opt to have us just do the kitchen and pantry, and then we have about the other half of the clients are having us come in and unpack and set up every room in the house so that they can hit the ground running as soon as they take ownership. And then we have Tidy Moves Luxe, which is our elevated service for people who really just do not have the time to deal with any of the aspects of a move. So for me, organization has always been about a feeling more so than it has been about achieving any sort of perfection within a space. I especially noticed that when I became a mom, how much organization within my home really helped me feel less chaotic and less stressed. And for us, with regard to our clients, we're really focusing more on being intentional about what you are keeping. It's never really a focus of, okay, what can we get rid of? It's really, what are we going to take with us into this next chapter of our lives?